Well, good afternoon. It is afternoon, right? Well, it is at least on the East Coast where I am, Eastern Standard Time Zone. But today I'm jumping on because in the next, I don't know, 3, 4 weeks, sometime before Christmas, I'm going to be jumping on here and showing you different items that I have on my 2019 Kids Gift Guide and on my 2019 Women's Gift Guide. And I have a giveaway that's actually ending today at midnight, and I want to make sure that if anyone wants to jump in and enter to win a giveaway, then I'm hoping you'll do so. And the giveaway is, man, I'm just closing the box so I can actually show it to you, but it is a Kids Night in box. So this exact box has never been used by me or my children. I'm going to package this up, and I'm going to mail this actual box to the winner. But I want to show you what's in it because I have Kids Night in boxes on my gift guide this year, and my kids and I have done a couple, and they're actually a lot of fun. And if you sign, it's basically a box subscription kind of thing. You can, I think, buy just one individual box. It's the most expensive though, and I think it's close to $40 per box maybe. But if you end up getting a yearly subscription, or hint, hint, tell grandma and grandpa, just get my kids a Kids Night in box subscription for Christmas. And it's totally great because then they get gifts like every month or every other month or 3 times a year or however you want to set up your subscription. So basically, it's a couple hours worth of activities for you to do with your children. It is not a standalone kids do by themselves activity. They make it very clear that part of their business mission is to give parents and kids something that's already been put together for them. It's kind of like a lesson plan for parents and kids to hang out. And they have different themes. And this one is the Stars and Stripes theme, which was probably pretty popular in July, but it can still be popular now because Veterans Day is in November. And frankly, all of the information in this kit, like, really can be used year round. And I think it's a great patriotic sort of box to show your kids. So let me just show you what I have available, or what is actually available in this box. So first of all, if you're not familiar with Kids Night in Box, you first open up your box and you're going to have this pamphlet that's going to be sitting right on top. And this walks you through step by step of all the activities that come in the box. So right off the bat, they give you a warmest greetings about your adventure that you're going to have with your children. And then they have different activities. So I'm going to kind of just read through the list, and I'm just going to hold up and tell you what it comes with. I'm not going to get super detailed, just to give you an idea of the kind of activities that you might have. So the first one, they have P is for popsicle. Prepare your delicious, patriotic popsicles. And they have instructions on how to make popsicles, but they give you little Kool-Aid packs. And let me pull these out too, because these are kind of cool. And actual plastic things to freeze them in. So you just pour in the Kool-Aid and you can freeze it. And that's like activity one. Make your popsicle with your kids, and then later on, maybe when you're done, maybe they'll be frozen by then, and you can enjoy and eat them. And they are red and blue, by the way, because it's a red, white, and blue themed box. Then they have Ellis for Liberty. Explore history together while reading Ellis for Liberty by Wendy Lewison. So each of these boxes comes with a book, which I think is awesome, a kid's book, Ellis for Liberty. I have not gone through and read this, but it looks very patriotic, and obviously the Statue of Liberty is in here a lot, and it looks like it's a great story, and it's for wide age range. So, well, I mean, you can't read it to your baby, but if you've got a 5-year-old and a 10-year-old and a 7-year-old, they would all enjoy it. So there is the book that comes with it. Then they have C is for crafting. Draw Lady Liberty and color your own baseball cap. So it comes with a white baseball cap. If you have more than one kid, you might have to draw straws on who actually gets to keep this or who gets to wear it. Or maybe they could take turns wearing it, or they can use it for dress up. But either way, the kit comes with markers. They're in here. Like, that's why it's so great, these boxes. Like, you don't have to use anything that's in your house. It comes with everything. So you get a whole set of markers that are obviously good enough to draw on this fabric. And they have instructions on how to draw a Lady Liberty. I believe it'll be on the brim of the hat. And so then your kids can customize their own hat, and then they can wear it and share it and flaunt USA colors, and that's the craft part of the box. Then they have A is for appreciation. Show your appreciation for our armed forces. There are postcards in this box. Or letters? Is it a letter? Yes, I guess it is specifically a letter that says thank you for your service. I'm grateful for my freedom because, and then the kids can write out reasons why they're thankful for their freedom and put their name. And I believe there's an address in here somewhere, or I'm going to assume that there is, that you can mail your letters to, and they will forward it to a soldier. Then we have G is for get up and go. Get moving with some brilliant balloon games. There are balloons in here. They're like the big kind you have to blow up and like you shake them and they bounce. And I know there's instructions in here on the specific games, but that's an active part of the box. So they really try to hit every category. So far we've eaten something, we've read something, and we did a craft activity. Now we're going to do more of an active activity. Oh, and a writing activity if you write a note. So they really like incorporate all sorts of things with the same thing, which I really appreciate about these boxes. Then S is for scavenger hunt. Go on a scavenger hunt and see how many items you can locate from the list. There is a scavenger hunt in here. It's simple, like small children could do this. I'm sure my 6-year-old could do this. You have to find something red, something blue, something white, something green, some stars, stripes, a flag, coin, something historical, something made in America. And you could just walk around your house, or you could give your kids boundaries and say, in your bedroom, see if you can find all of these items. Or say, in the entire house, see if you can find these items, and walk around and you do a scavenger hunt in your house, and then you have a chance to talk about them. And so then you're playing a game with your kids. So that's the game part. Then K is for keepsake. Make a keepsake necklace as a symbol of your patriotism. Let's see. I know inside this bag there is a necklace kit. So it looks like you get to make a cute necklace with red cord, a flag, USA beads, and then your kids can wear it with their hat. Then we have M is for memory. Place a memory card game while learning facts about Lady Liberty. There is a stack of cards in here. It's still all packaged up. But there's Lady Liberty, and it's a matching game. And then there are facts, like the one I can see is Lady Liberty is 305 feet and 1 inch tall. So you'll learn some facts that you probably or may not have known about in the past. Then we have B is for beyond the box. We want to provide you with items that go beyond your box experience and ways to continue. Let me just jump to that page. I don't have a lot of notes. Oh, right on the back. They give you patriotic movies you can watch. They talk about going to your library and checking out books, dressing up as Lady Liberty, etc. So if you are, you know what's really great about these is that if you have one of these on hand and your kids end up having a snow day, and if you're able to work with home or stay home with your kids during that snow day, or they're home sick, like kind of sick, not like on the couch throwing up sick, but let's say they have a slight fever and just can't go to school, this is the perfect thing to have on hand to keep your kids busy throughout the day. It's educational. Especially being a former teacher, it hits like on every learning style, whether you're visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner, and it hits so many great things. And every box is like this. So I encourage you to check out the website. I have up above a link to my gift guide. Right close to the top, there's a link where it says to enter the giveaway, and you'll jump over to another page where you're going to enter the giveaway just to win this box. But take a look at the other stuff that's on my on my gift guide this year, I have Kids Night in Boxes on there, and also KiwiCo, which is a similar type of kids subscription box service. And check out the websites, because I think if you're looking for a different kind of gift idea to give your kids this year that's a little more educational, or in my opinion, I just think they're brilliant gift ideas for the grandparents to get the grandkids, or an aunt and uncle. I know that my sister-in-law last year got my kids some KiwiCo boxes, and it was like the perfect gift. So take a look at the websites, take a look at the giveaway link. It's easy to enter the giveaway. It ends tonight at 11:59 p.m. Tomorrow morning, one of the first things I'll do after I wake up and start my day is I will jump on and I run this giveaway through a program called Rafflecopter, and I let them pick the winner. So I just click on my mouse, you pick the winner, so I have no say whatsoever on who wins this box. I just pick the winner. I will send you an email telling you that you've won. I'll ask you for your mailing address, and hopefully, if I hear from you soon enough, I'll get it in the mail tomorrow or Friday or Saturday, but should be in the mail before the end of the week, and you'll definitely have this on hand as a Christmas gift, or if you need a birthday gift, or if you just want to hold on to it for a snow day or a sick day, just having it and experiment and try it. I hope that you enjoy it, and good luck to everyone that enters. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.